Hello and welcome back to SEO Science. In the digital age, search engine optimization has become an essential component of any successful business strategy. Companies across various industries are harnessing the power of SEO to improve their online visibility, attract organic traffic, and ultimately drive revenue. One such company that has leveraged SEO tactics to achieve remarkable success is TakeNotes, a subsidiary of Verbit. This video delves into the journey of TakeNotes and how their strategic implementation of SEO tactics played a pivotal role in their remarkable success. A brief overview of TakeNotes. TakeNotes, a transcription and captioning company, was founded with the vision of providing high quality, accurate and efficient transcription services to clients across multiple industries. The company quickly garnered attention for its commitment to excellence, innovative technology solutions, and a dedication to meeting clients' diverse transcription needs. As TakeNotes continued to grow, it became a part of Verbit, a leading player in the transcription and captioning industry. SEO as a cornerstone of success. The journey to success for TakeNotes began with a clear recognition of the importance of SEO in the digital landscape. They understood that having an excellent service was not enough. They needed to ensure that potential clients could easily find them online. This realization led TakeNotes to develop a comprehensive SEO strategy that would ultimately set them apart from their competitors. Keyword research and content optimization. TakeNotes' SEO journey started with meticulous keyword research. They identified the keywords and phrases most relevant to their industry. By understanding the search intent behind these keywords, they were able to create content that not only addressed their clients' needs, but also aligned with popular search queries. Technical SEO and website performance. A critical aspect of TakeNotes' SEO success was their commitment to technical SEO. They understood that search engines favored websites that provided an excellent user experience. To this end, they invested in website performance optimization, including mobile friendliness, page speed, and responsive design. This not only improved their search engine rankings, but also enhanced user experience for visitors. Backlink strategy. TakeNotes recognized the importance of building a strong backlink profile. They engaged in ethical link building practices, seeking high quality, authoritative websites for guest posting, collaborations, and other link building opportunities. Local SEO for targeted outreach. Since TakeNotes served clients across various industries, they leveraged local SEO strategies to target specific geographical markets. They optimized their Google My Business listing, encouraged customer reviews, and ensured consistent business information across all directories. Regular content updates and maintenance. TakeNotes understood that SEO is an ongoing process, so they consistently updated and maintained their website to keep it relevant and up to date. Regularly publishing fresh and informative content and monitoring their SEO performance allowed them to stay ahead of their competition. Results and impact. TakeNotes' strategic approach to SEO yielded substantial results and had a significant impact on their overall success. They experienced significant improvements in their search engine rankings, organic traffic, and most importantly, their conversion rates. This translated into a substantial increase in revenue and brand recognition. TakeNotes' journey from a promising startup to a successful subsidiary of Verbit is a testament to the power of strategic SEO tactics. As businesses continue to recognize the power of SEO in the digital landscape, TakeNotes' success story serves as a compelling case study on how the right SEO strategy can propel a company to new heights in today's competitive online marketplace. If you found this video helpful, please give it the old thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any further case studies or marketing tips. Until next time, happy optimizing. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.